This is episode 2 in the series where my goal is to help student nurses' clinical rotation in the operating room be enjoyable, informative, beneficial, and fulfilling. If you missed episode 1 where I covered 5 key pointers to focus on before starting your clinical rotation, at the end of this video, I will be providing you with a direct link for you to watch. In episode 2, we will be focusing on day 1, beginning your operating room clinical rotation. Here are 5 pointers for student nurses to focus on when they first arrive for their clinical rotation in the operating room department. You might not get to cover these areas in the order in which they are presented, but it would be prudent to enunciate these steps as follows. Pointer number 1, introductions. Upon entering the OR department, you will be met by the charge nurse and/or your assigned preceptor, who will do the honors of introducing you to the rest of the OR team. Note, not everyone might be present on your first day, but you will get to know them as you go along. This process helps to establish clear communication channels as you familiarize yourself with the OR team. Remember, you are now the newest part of the team, and in terms of experience, you are the youngest part of the OR team. So please, use this youthful figure to continue to burn the proverbial Florence Nightingale flame of care in the operating room. Pointer number 2. Review OR specific policies and standard protocols. Example, get to know the institution's 3 or 2-step patient identifiers and when they are to be used. Familiarize yourself with the surgical consent policy, the standard patient assessment tool used in the department, such as the situation, background, assessment, and recommendation. This is a communication framework, otherwise known as SBAR, which we will explore more of in the upcoming episodes. And of course, OR nursing specific diagnoses that will guide your plan of care. Review the operating room's infection control policy and protocols governing procedures deemed as infectious case. I can't overemphasize knowing when and how to practice proper hand hygiene techniques, understanding the importance of maintaining a clean environment and how to prevent breaches in sterility. Also, knowing the standard practice of surgical scrub, gowning, and gloving are essential. Point number 3. Attend the OR huddle or hug. Did you hear me say huddle? Yes, I did. The OR huddle is a short stand-up meeting, usually a multidisciplinary one. So it's a briefing that is held at the start of each day or shift. This meeting usually lasts 10 minutes or less. The number of different disciplines that participate is indicated or dictated by the custom or culture of the institution in which you are at, of which are, but not limited to, surgeons, anesthesia providers, nurses, first assist, operating room assistants, and other personnel. This is where the team review, discuss, and align patient care, safety concerns, potential issues, and important standards that will enhance the smooth flow of the OR list. Point number 4, familiarize yourself with the environment. Take time to learn the layout of the OR, including the location of equipment, supplies, and emergency resources such as fire extinguishers, emergency resuscitation carts, and code blow switches. Understand the different areas within the department and/or suite, including the 3 distinct zones. That is, the unrestricted, semi-restricted, and restricted areas, along with the protocols by which they are governed. Point number 5. Understand roles and responsibilities. Learn about the roles of different team members in the operating suite, including surgeon, anesthesiologist, anesthetic technician, nurses, surgical techs, and operating room assistants. Importantly, understand the specific responsibility of the nurse you are working with and how you can best assist while accomplishing your objectives. Let me know if these pointers were helpful by tapping the thumbs up icon and leave a comment, as my aim is to help student nurses to enjoy, become more knowledgeable, and achieve the most from their clinical rotation in the operating room. As promised, here is the link to episode number 1, entitled 5 key pointers to focus on before starting your clinical rotation. So subscribe and like this content and share it with someone who you know will benefit.